here at Donnet Mott Leisure we have this fantastic conversion on a pre-registered Volkswagen Transporter T6 DSG. It's in MOJAVE beige. A lovely colour to this one. Comes with alloy wheels. And with delivery miles. And this MOJAVE beige Camperking comes with the Monte Carlo conversion. It's a Highline specification. So in addition to that we have the wash wipe on the tailgate door and glazed heated windscreen. We have in addition the power latch sliding door, and this is a lovely interior. It's the silver birch furniture finish and the beach beige grey upholstery. A nice combination. And the floor is in the ash. And as this is the Monte Carlo conversion, we have the grille, and alongside there we have the Waco fridge with a little freezer compartment. We have a gas hob and sink, and we have the sliding table, and of course we have the diesel heating on board. And we are able to sleep and travel for in this conversion. So we have the crash tested rock and roll bed that pulls out to form a nice spacious comfortable double bed, and above there we have your pop top roof giving you another double, which our sales team would be happy to demonstrate to you. Comes with inbuilt satellite navigation and the Apple CarPlay. We've got DAB radio with Bluetooth connectivity, the steering wheel controls and the cab air conditioning. And we have electric windows. So I hope I've covered everything for you and just piqued your interest enough to come along to our showground to have a look at this Camperking conversion in the MOJAVE beige.